Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how you can be using Mailchimp to send emails. Now, of course, Mailchimp is basically the main reason why you came here in the real time is basically for its features, which is the bulk email sending. In this video, I will show you exactly how you can create your campaigns. So first, go ahead and click on campaigns and let's create a new one. Let's name it a regular name, of course. Okay, let's go with this. Click on X. And as you can see here, this is how you can send everything. So here you have to choose to whom are you going to send it from, which is your email, the subject, send time, and content. To whom, of course, you need to add your contact. We've made another video about contacts, so make sure to check it out before you continue with this proceed. Once you have uploaded and imported your contacts, then choose from. Of course, do not use Gmail, use a business email to look more professional. Unless you don't have it, then use whatever you have. But just as a notice, email address, which is gmail.com, which is not a professional one, can go to the spam inbox in case you sent a lot. So using a business one can save you a lot of work, and your email will not consider as a spam, but will consider as a promotion or something like that. Here subject, put your subject, for example, promotion, marketing, etc. And here send time, send now or schedule it at another time. And here the content, design email, put the element that you want, and once you have finished, click on send right through here. Depending on your plan, you'll be sending at the limit of contact that you had in your plan. For the free, for example, I only have a total of 1000 email sent per year or per month. So yeah, that was it. Thank you guys a lot, and see you guys in the next video.